Carol. Yes, we certainly have seen some disruption from that heavy rainfall, localised flooding, some disruption for the train line between Carlisle and Newcastle as well. But we have got something drier and brighter to come, a respite from that wet weather as we move into tomorrow. There'll be plenty of sunshine to come, but it is going to feel quite cool. So here's the picture from earlier. You can see that rain heavy at times, plenty of cloud around as well, gradually shifting its way south. Behind it, clearer skies feeding in, and that's what we've got through tonight. So still the risk of seeing the odd isolated shower for a time. As we move through tonight, it will become drier though. I think perhaps just holding on to the odd isolated shower for eastern coastal areas, but under clear skies, it will be a chilly night. Temperatures getting into the low single figures, dipping below zero in a few spots. So you could wake up to a touch of frost. Tomorrow starts off on a chilly but bright note. There'll be plenty of sunshine around as we move through tomorrow. Perhaps a bit more patchy cloud feeding in from the north as we move into the afternoon. And again, there is just the chance of catching the odd isolated shower for eastern coastal areas, but it will feel cool. Temperatures reaching a maximum around 12-13 degrees Celsius with that northwesterly breeze. It will stay breezier on the east coast, but the wind tending to ease as we move through the day. Into Thursday then, and a brief ridge of high pressure means it will be a drier start, but this area of low pressure that contains the remnants of what was ex-Hurricane Lorenzo is going to bring some wet and windy weather as we move overnight into Friday. So another chilly start to the day on Thursday. A bright start, plenty of sunshine around first thing. Will turn cloudier from the west though, with some outbreaks of rain perhaps later in the west. The wind's picking up as well. A little bit of uncertainty on the timing of this at the moment, so do stay across the forecast. Temperatures again not really very warm, a maximum of around 12-13 degrees Celsius, and we'll see the wind strengthening through the day. Towards the end of the week then, it stays unsettled. We'll continue to see weather fronts moving in from the west, and that will bring further spells of unsettled, wet and windy weather. So it turns cooler for a time through midweek. It will be drier and brighter, but then we'll see wetter weather feeding in from the west overnight into Thursday. That clears through Friday, so perhaps something a bit drier and brighter to end the day on Friday, but then we'll see further weather fronts moving in as we move through the weekend, and that will bring some wet, windy weather at times. The temperatures will start to pick up again though towards the end of the week.